Meaning of formerly.
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 Formerly. Formerly is an adverb that is used to indicate that something was true in the past but is no longer true now. It is often used when referring to something or someone that has gone through a change or transformation. For example, if a city was formerly known for its high crime rate but has now improved its safety measures and reduced crime, it could be referred to as a formerly unsafe city. Formerly can also be used to refer to a previous name or title that someone or something had before it changed.